Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by putting safety first. Isolate all power and tag out the unit so there is zero residual energy. Once done, confirm you have the correct schematics and the launcher's serial number. These tell you which parts and firmware are relevant. Make sure to document visible damage with photos. You won't start repairs until the risk assessment is complete. These steps prevent mistakes and ensure any downstream troubleshooting matches manufacturer specifications and warranty conditions. You now perform a systematic inspection focusing on integrity and interfaces. Use non-invasive checks. Look for loose fasteners, bent brackets, or corrosion that can indicate mechanical stress. Once identified, log each anomaly and compare dimensions or clearances to the specification sheet. Deviations point to which subsystem likely failed. Make sure to avoid opening sealed safety assemblies yourself. Instead, mark them for certified service if they show signs of compromise. This method narrows the problem without introducing new hazards. You finish by turning observations into action. Compile a clear report with photos, measurements, and error logs, then contact the manufacturer or an authorized technician for repair or replacement. Once you have approved parts and verified firmware, only a certified person should perform replacements or updates. Preserving original logs helps root cause analysis. If the unit still behaves unpredictably, make sure to remove it from service immediately and escalate. This protects people and limits liability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.